Well, he's pulling away, and that's the little bucket they're using. That don't hardly hold much more than a yard, maybe a yard and a half. But now you can see where the line comes across better, and they got it tall pole way up in the air. It almost looks like an afterthought. I wonder if it was an afterthought. Boy, it didn't take long to get that little bit of concrete out of there. Let's see what we can see from here. Now this rock wasn't here yesterday, or I should say the other day. Oh, they got forms on it, so they're bringing it up to a certain elevation. Interesting. Interesting. Now you can see that drilling a little more better. So that's the north side. And where he's drilling is going to be, wow, they're already taking out the old embutments. The piers that I showed you the other day, they're gone. Now those are the rebar cages that are going to go into the hose where they drill the case on. Curious to see how that goes. All right. Capture a few pictures while I got a chance. Oh, he's spinning it out. He's turning it up with it, turning it over, mixing it.